Welcome to our channel Lifestyle for You, and today we are going to present you the lifestyle of Chelsea Baham, reality stars, lifestyle, net worth, age, boyfriend, biography, ex-boyfriend, and more information. Her celebrated name Chelsea Baham, her birth name Chelsea Marlene Baham, date of birth 28 December 1996. Her age 27 years as in 2024. Her body features and measurements. Height 5 feet 6 inches and weight 56 kg. Her hair color is black and eyes color black. Birthplace California, United States. Her hometown United States of America. Nationality American. Her profession reality stars and creative director, known for participating in American reality show Big Brother 26 2024. Chelsea Baham careers for Chelsea Baham is a reality TV celebrity, non-profit director, and content creator from Rancho Cucamonga, CA. She possesses a Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication. She has spiritual connections with Abundant Living Family Church. Chelsea Baham is American and ethnicity is African American. She is a house guest in reality TV show Big Brother. She describes herself as crazy, fun, and loud. She also rates herself a little bit hood, holy, righteous, and ratchet. Chelsea made her television debut in reality competition series. She entered Big Brother house as a house guest. Net worth $1 million.